here at the second day at eTech. We're with Dr. Robert Pell of Minviro, founder and director. So it's a great pleasure, sir, to meet you here. What can you tell us about Minviro?
So Minviro is a company out of the UK, London. We support mining, metals, refining, as well as battery cell manufacturers and EV motor manufacturers to understand the impact of their products and processes. And we do this with both consultancy but also technology tools that we provide for these.
And what do you plan to exhibit here at eTech?
We're planning to exhibit MineBit, the battery impact tool. And this really allows companies or cell manufacturers to understand the environmental impact of their product or process. And this really allows companies to dig into the details, so understand exactly what the impact of specific supply chains, whether they're getting their lithium hydroxide from supplier A or supplier B, whether they're getting their nickel from supplier A or supplier B, or exactly what the impact of the manufacturing stage is as well. So it really allows these companies to understand what their environmental hotspots are. Any
projects under development that you'd like to comment on?
So there's one very exciting project that's just kicked off, and this project is called Xyres. So this project is looking at really quantifying the impact within the rare earth value chain, and therefore very important for EV motors. There's an innovative approach to this project, which is connecting our life cycle assessment approach to quantify environmental impacts with a blockchain provider, and doing this at each part of the supply chain.
What made you come precisely to eTech as a trade show?
So eTech's really covering a really interesting array of technology providers and manufacturers, sectors that are really important for this low carbon transition. And I think we feel that we have a lot to offer these companies, understanding their environmental impact and understanding how they might be able to reduce their impact going into the future, especially as we're under a lot of new pressures now for these manufacturers to understand exactly where their impacts lie and understand what they're going to look like in 5-10 years down the line.
Dr. Robert Pell of Minviro, it's been a great pleasure. Thanks for talking to us here at eTech.
Thank you very much.